At first, the top view and the front view of the drawing. You would see that in the top view there is two walls with a space between them. The second wall is smaller. In front of it there is a desk and two chairs with a carpet. For more details, in the front you will see the shape of the chairs and the desk with 6 photos hanged on the wall. Now you will see dimensions, detailed dimensions of everything drawn. Next we will locate the projection line and the ground line. Then we will locate the vanishing point and the station point, where from the station point there is a cone of vision showing all the objects inside. We will start drawing the wall using the vanishing point and the station point. Using the vanishing point, we will draw lines to the corner of this wall in the front, and using the station point we will locate the wall in the perspective by drawing a line passing through the corner to the projection line and then going downward. Using the same method before, we will draw the plan of the desk by using the lines from the vanishing point to the projected points in the ground, and then using the station point to the corner of this object projected to the projection line and then going downward, thus forming the plane of the desk in the perspective. The same thing, we will draw the plane of the chair using the vanishing point and the station point, applying the same method before. Now completing the plane of the chair by drawing the location of the arms and the back. Now drawing the arm of the chair using the vanishing point and using vertical lines from the plan of the object. Now completing the whole chair, its back and where we sit in the chair by using the vanishing point also and the vertical lines from the plan of this object. Now drawing the legs of the chairs using the vanishing point and using the plan of the object. Drawing the other chair using the same method. Now starting by the desk, we will draw lines from the vanishing point to the corners of this desk, thus forming the shape of the desk in the perspective. I meant by the front shape of the desk in the perspective. Now adding details, the same details that are drawn in the front to this desk. I meant by that cadres drawn on the desk. Now drawing the top of the desk by using the vanishing point and the station point to locate the horizontal lines of the desk in the perspective. Now starting with the photos hanged on the wall, we will start by projecting lines from the vanishing point to the corners of these photos. as shown in the figure, thus forming horizontal dashed lines where the photos should be located in the perspective. Now drawing the cadres of the photos using the vanishing point. Next, drawing the up cadres of the photos using also the vanishing point. Now drawing the thickness of these cadres using the station point to locate first the vertical line that give me the thickness of this object. Next, adding the inner cadre of the photos, we will start by locating the horizontal lines using the vanishing point. Next, we will locate the vertical lines also by using the vanishing point. Now we will draw the lines of the floor in the ground using projected points from the floor to the ground line, forming lines going out from the vanishing point. Now adding perspective lines to the wall that is behind. At last, adding artistic way to the drawing and then rendering it using ink.